Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of digital banking and specifically, a cool platform called Lunar. You might have heard whispers about it, a bank with no physical branches, everything managed from your phone. Sounds futuristic, right? But before you get starry-eyed, there's one crucial question. Can you even open a Lunar account? Let's face it, traditional banks can be a maze. Hidden fees, complicated paperwork, and sometimes, that feeling you're just another number. Lunar promises a simpler, more transparent experience, but is it for everyone? Buckle up, because we're about to crack the code on Lunar account eligibility. The Danish connection, a citizenship check. First things first, Lunar isn't some global banking giant with tentacles reaching every corner of the earth. As of now, it's a Danish-based bank, which means there's a geographic limitation. But wait, there's good news. Here's the exciting part, Lunar isn't just for Danish citizens. Expats, welcome aboard. Living the expat life in Denmark? Studying abroad and need a solid banking solution? Lunar opens its doors to you. That's right, expats, non-citizens, and even international students can apply for a Lunar account. Now, this doesn't mean it's a free-for-all. There are still a few hurdles to jump, but hey, that's what we're here for, right? The all-important requirements checklist. So, you're excited about ditching the traditional bank and joining the Lunar revolution? Here's what you'll need to have in order to apply. Age is just a number, but not here. You gotta be 18 or older, that much is standard. No teenagers managing their allowance through Lunar just yet. The magic of MITID, this is where things get a little Danish. MITID is basically a digital identification system used in Denmark. It's kind of like a super secure social security number, but for online purposes. If you're an expat, you'll need to visit a citizen service center to get your MITID set up. CPR number and personal ID, these are basically Danish identification numbers. If you're living and registered in Denmark, you'll most likely already have these. Living beyond Denmark, a glimpse into the future. Now, the exciting part. While Lunar is currently focused on Denmark, there are hints of them expanding their reach in the future. They're constantly adding new features and functionalities, and who knows, maybe your country will be next on their list. Keep an eye out for updates, and if you hear any rumblings about Lunar going international, be sure to let us know in the comments below. The final verdict, is Lunar for you? If you're living in Denmark, be it a citizen, expat, student, or someone chasing that dream job, and you're 18 or older, then Lunar could be a great fit for you. With its focus on mobile banking, user-friendly interface, and transparent fees, it offers a refreshing alternative to traditional banks. But remember, even though Lunar opens its doors to expats, you'll still need to have that MITID and those Danish identification numbers. So, is Lunar the key to unlocking your future banking needs? Well, that depends on your situation. But hey, at least now you know who can join the Lunar party. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy banking.